Hi otters! It's really nice to be with you again. I'm here to share with you how to make your own bird feeder. I made one, a friend taught me how to do it, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So here we go. So I laid here what you will need separately. So here's the kind of bottle that I used. You will need some sticks. You can see here I put a few of them because you might want to just collect some and then you will get to try which one will work best. You will need some little rocks like this. You will probably need a bunch of them to fill up the bottle probably up to here. And what these rocks do is they hold the sticks in place. And you will also need sand. I did not have sand to put right here, but imagine that you can see right there how the sand, the kind of sand you're gonna need. All right. In the back, you can see the seeds that I bought. I did not know which one was gonna work better, so I bought 2 different bags. Another thing that you're going to need, and this is going to be something that your parents will help you with, it's a soldering iron. And what it does is that it will help you melt the plastic to make the holes you need to make in the bottle. See, we're making a hole, 2 holes for each stick right there, and then we're making the holes for the birds to eat from inside the bottle. So that's what you use the soldering iron for. You can your parents can probably, if they don't have that at home, they can probably use something else to poke those holes through the plastic. And finally, you will need some kind of string that you can punch through the cup of the bottle, and it will help you hang the bird feeder from wherever you need to hang it. I used metal string, and because this is going to last for a long time. So that way, once you're hanging your bird feeder and you need to refill it, you just take the cap out of the bottle and the string stays in its place. So otters, even though I'm not gonna make it with you right here, I'm gonna tell you the basic steps. So step 1 is to get rid of this part of the bottle. You don't want this. So you take it out and you wash the bottle really, really well until it looks like this. The second step is your parents help you poke the holes. So the holes are gonna go somewhere down here. You see where those parts of the bottles are. So it's gonna go, 2 of them are gonna go in the middle of these pieces. See that? It's kind of like right here in the middle. And then the other one is gonna go on the other side because that's gonna help you. That's gonna help the stick go through, right? See right here? And the other 2 holes are gonna go on this side, through this side, a little bit farther up. So the sticks don't get into each other's ways when you put them in. So after you have your sticks in place, your parents are gonna help you poke these holes right here. So it's 1 hole in front of each of the sticks entrances. See that? So it's gonna be 4 more holes, okay? And you want them high enough so the bird, see my finger right here? So the bird can actually stand on the stick and then get easily into here to eat. Once you have the sticks in place and you poked all 8 holes, you want to put the little rocks inside the bottle and fill the bottle with rocks so they hold the sticks in place. Okay, so you want to go all the way a little bit further up from where the sticks are. And then you're going to pour the sand in. So the sand, it's going to get into all these little spaces in between the rocks, so it will hold the sticks in place, and it will also hold the little seeds up above so they don't fall all the way to the bottom. So then you're going to pour the seeds, and you can mix them up. You're going to pour the seeds inside all the way. I poured it all the way up to here at the beginning, and you see how much the birds ate in a week. Because I didn't have a plastic funnel to pour the seeds into the bottle, you can see I made a funnel with paper, and it works really well. So as you can see, I mixed up the seeds, and now I'm going to hang it up. There it is. You can see the bird feeder hanging from that part of the roof, and it's ready for the birds to come. Thank you, otters. Take care.